Find the number of natural numbers which are lying between these two numbers 1012 and 23421 and that are formed using these digits 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Repetition of digits is not allowed and the number should be divisible by 55. Now in recent year in JEE Main, there are few PYQ where you have to find number of numbers which are multiple of 11 or multiple of 55. So we'll see how to solve these type of problem. Before we attempt this problem, there are few important points. First one is that a number is divisible by 55. 55 is 5 into 11. So a number will be divisible by 55 if it is multiple of 5 as well as multiple of 11. Right? If the number is multiple of these two numbers 5 and 11, then it must be multiple of 55. Also, a number is multiple of 5 if the digit at unit place is either 0 or 5, but here we do not have 0. All the given digits are non-zero digits 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So at unit place we have to keep 5 only, then only it will be multiple of 5. Also, a number is multiple of 11 if the difference of sum of digit at odd place and even place is multiple of 11. Right? For example, let us say if I have let us take a 4-digit number A, B, C, D, and if I want this number to be multiple of 11, then at odd place we have these two digits. Let us say O is representing sum of digit at odd place. So at odd place we have A and C, and these are the digits at different places. D is digit at unit place, similarly C at 10th place, and so on. So at odd place we have A and C, at even place we have B and D. And now if difference of these two, that is O minus E or E minus O, if that is either 0 or 11 or 22 and so on, either 0 or some multiple of 11, then the number will be multiple of 11, right? So also you can notice that here we have to find only those numbers which are lying between these two numbers 1012 and 23421. Now remember, number lying between these two numbers will be either 4-digit number or 5-digit number. But the smallest 5-digit number that you can create using these 5 digits, that will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this number is clearly bigger than this one. So therefore here we have to find, there will not be any 5-digit number formed using these 5 digits which will lie in this interval. So we have to focus on 4-digit numbers only. Also the smallest 4-digit number will be 2, 3, 4, 5, which is bigger than this number 1012. So any 4-digit number formed using these 5 digits will lie in that given interval. So here basically we have to find number of 4-digit number formed using these 5 digits without repetition of digits which are divisible by 55. So as I said, it should be multiple of 5 as well as multiple of 11. Also for multiple of 5 at unit place we must have 5. And for multiple of 11, the difference of these two, sum of digit at odd place and sum of digit at even place, that must be either 0 or 11 or 22. Also you can notice that here uh, O minus E cannot be 11 or 22. From the given digits, you cannot, the maximum value of O minus E you can create is that if I take 5 and 6 at odd place and 2 and 3 at even place. So sum of digit at odd place will be 11, at even place 2 plus 3, 5, and their difference is 6. So from the given digits, you cannot get a difference of 11 or 22 and so on for O minus E. So O minus E has to be 0, which means that sum of digit at odd place A plus C, and this must be same as sum of digit at even place B plus D. So this is one important relation that we have to satisfy here. Now let us see what are the different numbers that we can create using those 5 digits, because there will be only few numbers. If I need number to be multiple of 5, at unit place we have to place 5. And now we'll see what are the different ways of filling the 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. So at these two places, unit place D and 100th place B. So for B we have number of, first we'll decide for B and then we'll try to satisfy that B plus D, that must be same as A plus C. So for B the different options will be, we have 5 at unit place. So 5 we cannot keep at any other place because repetition is not allowed. So at 100 place, either you can have 2, or you can have 3, or you can have 4, or you can have 5, right? These are all the 4 cases that you can create. At unit place, we have 5, and at 100 place, we have 2, 3, 4, 6. Now, if I have these two numbers, let us take the first case. If I have 2 and 5 at unit place and 100 place, so their sum will be 5 plus 2, 7. So now we need to pick two numbers from here so that their sum is 7. Now clearly you can see that if you select 3 and 4, you can get a sum of 7. So that means at one place you can keep 3, another place you can keep 4. And remember, two numbers you can create here by interchanging these two. One number 3, 4, another number, just interchange these two, so that will be 4, 3. Similarly, if I have 5 at unit place and 3 at 100 place, so then again their sum will be 5 plus 3, 8. Now let us see how we can get a sum of 8 here. So when 3, 5 we have already used, so the remaining digits are 2, 4 and 6. If I take 2 and 6, we can get a sum of 8. So that means here we can place 2. This number will be 6. Again interchange these two, you'll get another two numbers in this case. So next two number, 2, 6, then 6, 2. 5 at unit place, we have to make number multiple of 5. So at unit place, we have to fix 5. Now at 100 place, we have these four options. And in each case, we are trying to satisfy that A plus C must be same as B plus D. So now 4 plus 5, that will be 9. 9 you can create using 3 and 6. So you can have 3, 6, another number 6, 3. So other two numbers you can get in this case. And finally, if I have 6 and 5, 6 and 5 will be 11. Now, using any two of the remaining three digits, 2, 3, and 4, you cannot get a sum of 11. So that means in this case, you will not get anything. So finally, there are three cases, and in each case, you can get two numbers. And therefore, the number of numbers which are multiple of 55, that will be 6. Right? So this was an interesting problem where first uh, we have to know that number will be multiple of 55 if it is multiple of 5 as well as 11. For multiple of 5, the digit at unit this must be 5 because there is no 0 involved here. And then for multiple of 11, A plus C must be same as B plus D. From there we got three cases. In each case you can create two numbers, and therefore total number of numbers this will be 6. And that is the correct answer for this problem.